Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm gonna to present my analysis about a login system that has some serious security problems. We will walk you through what the risks are, how attacker can actually break into the system, and what we recommend to make it safer. Before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Madidinda Dwi Marta with student ID 2415101054. The next is what the problem. Let me explain the system we're looking at. The system is only uses a password to login, nothing else. On top of that, many users use the same password on different websites. The system also doesn't block you even if you type the wrong password many times. And there's no second verification like a code sent to your phone. Just from this description alone, we can already see that the system has some pretty big problems. So why this is dangerous? Now let's talk about the risk. Because users reuse passwords if any other website get hacked and their data is leaked, the system is automatically in danger too. Since there's no login limit, an attacker can keep guessing password as many times as they want with no one stopping them. There's also only one thing protecting the account. Yes, the password. So if someone finds out your password, they can just walk straight in and the system will not even send a warning if someone logs in from a different country or a device you've never used before. So how does an actual attack look like? The most common one here is called credential stuffing. Imagine another website got hacked and millions of emails and passwords were leaked online. The attacker just takes the list and tries every single one of them on the system. Because users reuse their password, it actually works. Then, there's a brute force, where a program automatically tries thousands of password combinations really fast. And since there's no limit, nothing stops it. And there are also phishings, where the attacker tricks the user into typing their password on a fake website, then uses it in the real one. These attacks are not that complicated, which makes them even more dangerous. Now, you might be thinking, okay, what if I just use a really strong password? Wouldn't that be enough? Well, honestly, it's not really. A strong password does help make a brute force harder. We're not going to lie about that. But it doesn't protect you if another website leaks your data. It won't save you if you got tricked by a phishing email. And it definitely will not stop if someone inside the company from misusing their access. So the point is, security need to have multiple layers. Think of it like your house. You don't just have one lock on the door, right? You have a lock, maybe a chain, maybe a camera. It's the same idea here. So, based on everything we've analyzed, here are our recommendations. First, add multi-factor authentications. This means even if someone gets your password, they still can log in without a second code, like one sent to your phone, second limit login attempts. After 5 wrong times, the account should be locked for a while. Third, the system should detect unusual login and immediately send an alert if someone logs in from a new device or location. Fourth, enforce strong password rules and even check if the password has already appeared in a known data leak. Fifth, keep detailed logs of all login activities so suspicious behavior can be tracked. And six, make sure all data is encrypted and passwords are stored using strong hashing method like bcrypt. These 6 steps together will make the system is significantly more secure. So, to wrap everything up, a password alone is simply not enough to protect a system in today's world. There are many ways an attacker can break in. From credential stuffing to brute force to phishing, and when there are no extra layers of security, just one small leak can put every single account at risk. The solution is actually not that complicated. By combining a strong password with multi-factor authentication, login attempt limits, anomaly detection, and proper encryptions, the system becomes much harder to attack. Security is not just one thing, it is a set of good habits and smart design choices working together. That's our main takeaway from this analysis. Thank you so much for listening and goodbye.